scholars. Let's revise your poem 2, Try to Lick Your Elbow. Let us look at the points to be remembered from the poem. First one, which human body part is the poem about? It is about the elbow. Second, which body parts cannot touch your elbow? Let us see. Ear, nose, forehead, neck, shoulders, tongue, eyes, toes, and spine. All these body parts are mentioned in the poem along with the explanation that we cannot touch them with our elbow. What is it? It's a trophy, or you can call it a prize. When would you win a prize? Why? I would win a prize if I could touch my elbow to my spine, because it is impossible. We have also seen the meaning of spine, which means backbone, as you can see in the picture. Fourth point. Why did the speaker stop trying to lick his elbow? Do you remember the last stanza of the poem? What did it say? It said, I tried to lick my elbow once and I came pretty close. But then I stopped and realized, like, oh no, that's gross. Remember? So the answer is, the speaker stopped trying to lick his elbow because he realized that it's gross. Gross means dirty, and to realize something means to understand something. Fifth point. Other important words from the poem. As you remember, we have already discussed the hard words or the vocabulary of the poem in previous videos. Let us go through other words which have not been covered so far in the above 4 points. Although, awfully, practically, impossible, pretty, hard, and easy. These are the words apart from the words mentioned in the previous 4 points which need to be taken care of and the spellings of which need to be learnt. Now let us have a look at the rhyming words. As you read the poem, you must have realized that there are similar sounding words in the poem, which makes the poem even more fun to recite. Which are those words from the poem? Let us go through them. Near, ear, nose, toes, eyes, prize, close, cross. With this, we are done with the revision of poem 2, Try to Lick Your Elbow. Hope you enjoyed the revision as much as the actual lecture. Happy learning. Thank you.